right, welcome to week 3 of Reclaim and Restore Your Core. Today, we're going to start kicking it up a little bit because you are so strong and your body is stronger than you think. Today, we're doing 5 exercises, but we're only doing it for 2 rounds, okay? We are going to be lengthening the time. Now we are doing 45 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. You've got this. Just grab a mat and a big glass of water, and I'll see you in a second. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, rest.
I said let go.
Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, rest.
I said let go.
Two, one, rest.
I said let go. I said let go.
Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, rest. And you're done with the first workout of this week. You are strong, you are beautiful, you are capable, your body is amazing. It is so amazing, and I hope you feel it today. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell because that's what's going to let you know each time my workout is coming out. And I'll see you in the next one. Love ya! See ya, pizza.